What's up, YouTube? I'm back at it with another fucking video. I'm so sorry, gang. I know my breath stank. I know my breath stank, my bad. Y'all, I'm vlogging all day today. I just opened my eyes. I'm like, I'm gonna vlog today, so yeah, y'all stay tuned. I'm about to get up and bring my tea right quick, then I'll be back at it. I ain't trying to be up talking no shit. So let me bring my tea then. I'm gonna check back in with y'all. Good morning, by the fucking way. I hope all y'all slept good because I did. My girl is in the kitchen making breakfast. I hope y'all got some getting whipped up for y'all. Yeah, just stay tuned because I'll be back. Alright, gang, I'm back. I don't bring my tea on my face. I don't put on a little shirt. That's it. I already know what time it is. When I get up, what I have to do, I have to smoke my morning leaf. Chill with me today. Everybody at home and stuff because it was supposed to snow again in Atlanta, but I already knew we wasn't gonna get no snow again. It's super duper cold, but we definitely didn't get no more snow. I already knew that. And yeah. 2025 though, I'm like on my shit. That's all I'm saying. I'm on my shit. I'm doing everything that I wanted to do. I'm coming for everything that belonged to me. Like, I need that. I gotta have that. I want that. That's me right now. Like, so yeah, I just have to be consistent, you know, stay down, do my bit when do what I'm supposed to do. Lock in with y'all. Definitely lock in with God first before anybody lock in with God. And yeah, we gonna be great. So I'm finna get this together, twirled up, woo, woo, woo. Get me a minute, and then y'all, we finna vibe out. Oh yeah, and if you watching it, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and tap in. Yeah, so we just vibing out. After we smoke, we gonna get us something to eat. Probably chill out. I'll probably take a little walk. Y'all just stay tuned. Y'all gonna be with me all day today, all day. Zat day, Zat way. All day today. So that's what we doing. Chilling out, vibing out. Okay, what's up, y'all? I'm back, and guess what I got? I got my breakfast. Yeah, I got my breakfast. Yeah, and I'm about to eat. I'm just showing y'all I got my breakfast because I ain't want y'all to think I was like capped up or nothing, but yeah. Okay, gang, I ate my breakfast and I capped y'all down because look what it's doing, y'all. I thought it wasn't gonna snow, but it is snowing again. Y'all, it's snowing again in the A. I thought it wasn't gonna snow again, y'all. Last time I ain't catch the snow coming down. When I got up, it was already on the ground. Yeah. I'm finna make some content, probably do some TikTok video. I ain't gonna miss out in the snow this time. I can't catch now. Let it snow. Yeah, I see the snow falling. Yeah. Yeah, it's snow. Got a little ice. Yeah. What's up, gangers? Y'all, I got to go get me some leaves. So I am walking. People still driving, but I feel like that's unnecessary. Cause then when you can't stop and then you slide and then what? But, all right. That ain't none of my business. Y'all, it's so cold. I gotta get my blunts. Krusty Krab. Yeah, it's snow for a second time. I can't believe I talked all that shit. I'm in the snow with my little gang. I'm in the snow with my little gang, y'all. We gonna do some content today though, because 2025 is my year, our year, y'all. 2025 is our year. Ooh. 2025 is out. What's up, gangers? Okay, y'all, so I've been making content, like I just been doing TikTok, stuff like that, but I'm back, y'all, and it really snowed. I can't believe that it really just stopped. Like, it really just stopped. I said it wouldn't finna stop that fast, but it really stopped. But y'all, look how much snow we got. It just stopped snowing, though. I just noticed it. But we got so much snow. Again, for the second time. Y'all, look at my shoes. This is ridiculous. Look at this. This stuff on my pants, y'all. Woo. Woo. Yeah, I'm about to make a I'm finna make y'all a snow angel. Snow angel for the game. Snow angel for the game. Oh. Gang, I'm getting fucked up for y'all. Look at her doing her content. Da 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 da. Yeah. Oh, look at my snow angel, y'all. Y'all see? Hello. Details on that snow angel. Yeah. Details on that snow angel. Look at that. So my girl about to make chili, y'all. Y'all know, if y'all know, you know, on cold day, you really supposed to eat like chili, soup, stuff like that. My girl making some chili. She about to hit the exhaust, so y'all already know that chili about to be bussin'. Bussin'. Yeah. Y'all done been with me all day, y'all. It's dark outside. Let me take y'all out here. It's dark. Y'all done been with me all day. Like on the porch. Y'all remember when I first showed y'all the snow? Y'all couldn't even see that. Look. Yeah, I might make a little snowman. Yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna make a snowman. I gotta go get me some gloves and stuff. Hold up. Okay, gangers. I'm back. Making a snowman. Okay, y'all. I wish I could have set the camera up. Let me see. Okay, y'all, I'm back. Okay, so I'm gonna have to make the snowman down here instead of up there. Okay, so I'm gonna get my first ball. Make them nice. circle them all. Get my first, the bottom of my man. Okay. Now I'm gonna come on with my top ball. Hold on, I gotta make it a ball first, y'all. It's so soft. Okay. Hold on, I'm gonna make the bottom ball bigger too, so it'll be firm. Okay, y'all see my first ball? Now I feel like my second ball need a little bit more snow to it. Okay, do I just sit it up? I gotta take these out because I can't get it, y'all, but it's so cold. Okay, we're gonna set you up here. Woo! Y'all, this is the craziest thing I could do. Came out here in my shorts, making a snowman with my bare hands. Gangers, we're gonna have to take a break on this snowman. We're gonna be back. Gangers, the chili is in mo. What's up, gangers? Yeah, I'm chilling. I'm just checking back in. Me and baby chilling. We watching us a little movie. Smoking us one. I haven't ate my food yet. I thought about, I came up with a little idea though, like, I'm gonna make my chili like nachos. Like, I'm gonna show y'all. I might give y'all a mukbang with my dinner.
This is for a live-in nanny position.
Yeah, cause I'm up and I'm at it.
No. I've never
Baby
done it
eating, y'all.
before, but I'm looking forward to it. I mean, that's something that I would look forward to doing. Oh.
Yeah, I hope y'all enjoy y'all day. Will be. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Tap in. Let me know what I need to do, what I don't need to do, what I need to say, what I don't need to say. What face I don't need to make. Oh, my chin. But yeah, y'all.
Doesn't have to be. If you like, I'm happy to help. Math is always my favorite subject.
What's the key? You say, hey, y'all.
I got past addition and subtraction.
But yeah, chilling, smoking me some Zod, watching me some TV, chilling, vlogging, and yeah.
This is it.
I have to travel late.
I'll say.
Truth is, most of my money went to college.
Okay, gang. I told y'all I was gonna make my chili nachos, so I got my chip. Yeah, I did my chili. Look at it. But I told you, when my girl hit that it's over with. Alright. Okay, so hold on. I'm gonna show you what I'm about to do. Okay, I'm gonna snap. It's still too late. Okay. Then hit around with a little lettuce. That's enough, baby. A little lettuce on there. I get some ranch, baby. You want hot ranch or you want hot ranch? I go spicy hot honey. Okay. We go in. Okay. Yeah. God, I don't know why my camera just got so. Okay. Gonna give y'all the first bite. Yeah. All right, y'all. I'm back. I know y'all think I forgot, but I did. Okay. Y'all know last night I had already made my balls. Maybe this one should go in the middle. Yeah, I gotta walk to the store right quick, so I'm gonna have to come back and shape them up. Y'all see? Y'all see where we headed? My hands are so cold. Okay. Okay, little mini me. I gotta get on some arms. Let me turn your head around that way so it'll be perfect. Yeah. I have some arms. I'm gonna do all that when I get back from the store though, y'all. Y'all, I was snow melting. Okay, gangers. Y'all see how my man's coming. Alright. I ain't gonna even cap. I'm gonna put a little snow on the cap. On this top. Oh shit. Oh shoot. But y'all already see how my snowman going. Y'all, it done took me a whole day to build this little snowman. I'm still not finished. Okay, yeah, they're my mans in them. No more locked doors. No more locked doors. Come on now. He got on bait, bitch. He got on bait, bitch. Yeah, you better cock that cock it. Stop playing, now. Yeah, y'all snowman ain't got shit on mine. Fuck you talking about. Just me and my boy. Yeah. Really smoking though. Yeah.